Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick guide I'm going to be showing you how to download the Microsoft Outlook on your computer. If you're looking to install the app, follow the steps carefully. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go to the Microsoft Store. I'm going to go to the Microsoft Store on my computer. It's simply on the desktop. If you can't find it here, simply search on the search bar there, Microsoft Store, and you click on it, and from there the store is going to open up. I'm just going to wait for the store to open. The store is going to open up. From what you're going to do next is you search for Outlook, okay, and you simply click on it. And if you haven't installed the app, you'll see the install button here, but for my computer I have already installed the Outlook app. But if you haven't, when you click install here, you click download, the app is going to be downloaded to your laptop successfully. Please, if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.